Thank you again for checking out my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you something quick and easy, and it's just a way to style your hair half up, just like this. Give you a look. This look is perfect if you are in a rush and you just want to throw your hair up and get it out of the way. This is my go-to style if I've waved my hair the day before and I've slept on it. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe and like below. I also want to add in that all you need for this look are bobby pins, hairspray, and a hair elastic. Start by sectioning out the pieces of hair that you want framing your face. Section out a horseshoe section of hair on top of your head. I like to use a zigzag pattern when sectioning it out. Once you're happy with the amount of hair gathered, secure it with an elastic. Pull the pony forward while you tighten it to get more volume and height. To hide the elastic, take a small section of hair from the pony and wrap it around the base and then secure it with bobby pins. Now you can take your curler and recurl some pieces. If the ends of the hair have a bit of wave to them, I just like to curl near the root for a little extra lift. If you want, you can pull at the base of the ponytail to give it a little bit more volume and messiness. Now you can take some hairspray and a comb and gently back brush the ponytail to make it fuller and more textured. To make sure the ponytail stays lifted, I push the ponytail forward and secure the base with a bobby pin. And once you're happy with the way it looks, finish it off with some hairspray. And there's the finished look. Hopefully this tutorial gave you a little inspo for the next time you do your hair. If you want to see more quick and easy looks like this, like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys later.